Hello friends, today I am going to share the Vanishing Flight 713 Part 2. So watch carefully. The Flight 713 finally touched down. Everything looked normal. The passengers were alive. The plane was fine, but something didn't feel right. Airport systems couldn't detect. There was no record of its arriving, like it never existed. Even a stranger went to check the CCTV footage. It showed an empty runway during their landing time. Captain Aryan and co-pilot Meera walked into the terminal, but people don't seem to notice them. The janitor even walked through mirror without reacting at all. Phones were not working, no signal, no messages getting through. They looked up at a TV screen. All breaking news story appeared. Flight 713 disappeared 25 years ago. Only passengers presumed dead. The date July 18th, 2015, people gasped. They checked their IDs. Some were faded, some completely blank. One woman found a handwritten letter in her pocket in her own handwriting. It said, "If you are reading, this means you made it through again." Another girl got a message on her smartwatch. "Welcome back, you are one of the chosen, but not the first." Suddenly, the airport lights flickered. A robotic voice echoed through the terminal speakers. "Gate 713 is now boarding for your return." But Gate 713 didn't exist on the airport map. "No, we are back home. This is real. No, we never left. We have been gone for 25 years, but not here, not on Earth." He explained that the plane had gone through a time rift, something like a bubble in the sky, where time moved differently. Inside the plane, only 15 minutes had passed, but in the real world, 25 years had gone by. They were trapped in the place called the Sky Loop, a strange dimension that tests the soul. No one ages inside, but they are forced to face their own guilt, pain, and memory as follow the voice towards the mystery gate. He found something, a giant drainage, a giant mirror, but it didn't show as a reflection. It showed his life, his failure, his regret, his lost daughter, the pain he never let go. Then the mirror cracked and a voice whispered, "You borrowed time. Now return what is owed." Suddenly, half of the passengers disappeared into thin air, as if sucked back into the thin air. The rest of the frozen, silent, invisible to the world. Around them, "We have been chosen for something to end this, maybe to warm others." This loop would not stop on its own. Just in the loudspeaker announced Flight 713, now boarding Delhi to Bangkok. They looked at each other and stunned. The loop was beginning again. What really happened in those 25 years? The plane was stuck in a time bubble called the Skylar, moved differently only 15 minutes inside, but 25 years outside. The loop is a cosmic test. Only those who face the trust can escape. Those who fail return to the loop again and again. Moral of the story is, life sometimes gives us a second chance to face what we have deep inside, but it keep running from it. We might find ourselves stuck repeating the same flight forever. If you like that story, so please like, subscribe and share to your friends, so that I will come with another interesting story. Till then, take care of yourself and bye-bye.